Welcome to Miluo. We come here to celebrate Dragon Boat Festival
and commemorate the great point Chuyuan.
This is a very beautiful small city. It's the original of Dragon Boat Festival, which is one of the most significant traditional celebrations for Chinese communities worldwide. We came here to celebrate the festival and try to find out the stories behind the tradition, which is over 2,000 years old and is still thrilling today. Legend originates from Chuyuan, a patriotic Napoleon, heartbroken by his country's conquest, drowned himself in the Miluo River. I wandered along the river, watching its gentle flow and feeling the soft breeze, trying to envision the solemn heroism of Chuyuan over 2,000 years ago as he sacrificed himself in these waters, and how the people of his time honored their fallen hero. The local people were very sad. They rushed out in boats to searching for him, beating drums and throwing rice balls into the river to prevent fish and shrimp from eating Chuyuan's body. That's rescue mission how Zongs was born. Zongs is made of glutinous rice and has a variety of fillings, like red dates, egg yolks, or meat. It's wrapped in bamboo leaves. Families come together to make zongs. When cooked, zongs is sweet, sticky, and very delicious. That rescue mission also involved into a race and a legend. Today, it's not just about history, it's about speed, teamwork, and pure excitement. Drum beat like thunder. All slice the water in perfect rhythm. The crowd goes wild. From ancient rivers to modern cities, Dragon boat racing is now a global sport and a proud symbol of Chinese culture. So next time you hear about the Dragon Boat Festival, remember, it's not just a race or zonzi. It's a story of loyalty, legacy, and the power of unity.